Hi everyone. Today, let's dive into the heart of India's industrial strength, the Steel Authority of India Limited, better known as SAIL. This isn't just any company, it's a titan in the steel-making industry and a Maharatna of India's public sector enterprises. Let's start with the basics. SAIL operates 5 integrated plants and 3 special steel plants, primarily in the eastern and central regions of India. These are strategically placed close to the raw materials essential for steel production. Imagine massive complexes bustling with activity, where iron ore turns into a myriad of steel products. Now, what does SAIL produce? The list is long and impressive, from pig iron to the sleek SAIL TMT bars that reinforce countless buildings across the country. There's more. Cold-rolled products, pipes, structurals, and even railway products, including wheels and axles. Not to forget, SAIL also delves into stainless steel and electrical steels. Owning up to 75% of its equity, the Government of India has a significant say in SAIL's operations, giving it a Maharatna status. This isn't just a fancy title, it grants SAIL the freedom to make swift strategic decisions. Pretty much a necessity in today's fast-paced market. But SAIL isn't just about manufacturing steel, it's about building futures. For engineering students like many of you listening, SAIL represents a golden opportunity. It's a place where your skills can not only grow, but thrive amidst the best of both the government and private sectors. Imagine walking into work every day, knowing you are contributing to a backbone industry that not only supports the nation's infrastructure, but also is pivotal in its development agenda. At SAIL, you'd be part of a legacy of excellence and innovation. So, whether you're an aspiring engineer or just fascinated by the sheer scale of industrial operations, SAIL is a testament to India's developmental aspirations and its capabilities in the heavy industries sector. A career here? It's not just a job, it's being part of something much bigger. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this gives you a clearer picture of why SAIL stands as a pillar of India's industrial landscape. Dive deeper, explore more, and maybe I'll see some of you shaping the future of steel in India. Until next time, keep innovating and stay inspired.